Today I am cooking juicy chicken thighs that are crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, topped with a zesty chimichurri sauce. And on the side I've got roasted sweet potato fries that are tossed with garlic and Parmesan cheese and a spicy aioli. This is a quick and easy dish to make, so give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. So let's get started. Alright, first I'm going to mince 2 cloves of garlic. This clove right here is pretty large, but I like garlic, so that's fine. So this is kind of like 3 cloves of garlic, so 2 cloves, 3 cloves, no cloves, it's up to you. Adding a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 heaping teaspoon of paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, black pepper, about a 1/4 teaspoon. We're just gonna mix this. Let's set this aside and let's cut up our sweet potatoes. I've got 2 large sweet potatoes that we're gonna cut up into either fry shape, or you could cut them up into wedges. I like them a little thinner. Also, I leave the skin on because the skin is like super good for you. If you're not into the skin, you can also peel them. I've got these really pretty sweet potato fries that I cut up. I'm going to toss them in the olive oil mixture that I just put together. Now we're just gonna pour these on this baking pan with parchment paper. And you want them to be kind of evenly spaced so they don't steam each other, so that way they're a little crispy. See, and they're not too close together, so these will cook nicely. Just gonna drizzle a little bit of what's left in the bowl. And sprinkle a little bit more salt. I'm cooking these on 425 for about 20 to 25 minutes. I'm now preparing the flour mixture that we're going to coat the chicken thighs in. So first is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, some black pepper, and we're gonna whisk this together. 2 eggs for the egg wash. And we're gonna set this aside. About a 1.5 cups of panko breadcrumbs. And I'm putting it in a separate dish because we're gonna do a flour toss, then we're gonna do an egg wash, and then we're going to do a panko breadcrumb dip. I'm adding a little bit of salt into the panko breadcrumbs just to give it a little extra saltiness. I'm also gonna sprinkle some paprika in there as well. And a little bit of cayenne, so this is also optional. Midway through, I'm just taking these out to flip them over. And this is about 10 or 12 minutes into the cooking. While the sweet potato fries are cooking, I'm preparing the spicy aioli that we're gonna dip them in. Just get some fresh lemon juice, half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice, microblading 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, I've got 6 chicken thighs, and I'm gonna take these chicken thighs and I'm gonna toss them in the seasoned flour, and then into the egg mixture, then into the panko breading, to finish cooking these chicken thighs through, I'm sticking these in the oven for about 10 minutes. And while those chicken thighs finish cooking, I am making the chimichurri sauce. We need about a 1/4 cup of parsley, a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 1 jalapeno seeded and minced, half a cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper,